Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Learning Center. So what we will learn today, before don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. So let's start. Today we will learn binomials. What are binomials? A binomial is a pair of words linked by and or a preposition like loud and clear. Binomials are of many types. Types of binomials. First, coordinative binomials, ones joined by a coordinative conjunction. Example, and, or, but, nor, for, so, yet. Examples, pros and cons, odds or evens. Then, correlative binomials, words joined by correlative conjunction. Both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or rather than. Example, both rich and poor, not only smart but also kind. Third, adverbial binomials, words joined by adverbs showing contrast, condition, time, reason, result, etc. Example, then and now, here and there, fast and hard. Prepositional binomials, words joined by preposition to show position, direction, method, etc. Example, above and beyond, in and out. Compound binomials, words of pairs of words where second word is a compound, two words joined by hyphen. Example, peace, quiet, try, test, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Balanced binomials, both parts have same grammatical form and equal importance. Example, work and play, back and forth, more or less. So let's move on. First, coordinative binomials. What are coordinative binomials? Words joined by a coordinating conjunction. Example, and, or, but, nor, for, so, yet. Examples in sentence, pros and cons, the good and the bad. Every decision has its pros and cons. Then rise and fall, increase and decrease. Empire rise and fall over time. Give and take, to give something and also accept something. Example, a healthy relationship is based on give and take. Safe and sound, in a safe condition. We reached home safe and sound. Fact and figure, exact information. The report was full of fact and figures. Key point of coordinative binomials. Coordinative binomials use and, or, but, nor, for, so, yet. They are fixed word pairs. They make your English sound natural and fluent. Don't change the order of words. So let's move to next binomial type, correlative binomials. Correlative conjunction are always used in pairs and both parts must be used together in a sentence. Example, both and, meaning two things together. Example, both the teacher and the students were present. Either or, meaning one of two choices. You can either call me or message me. Neither nor, not one and not the other. Neither the teacher nor the student know the answer. Not only but also, in addition of something. She is not only intelligent but also very hardworking. Whether or, choice or uncertainty. I don't know whether he will come or not. Rather than, preference. I would rather stay home than go out. Key points of correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are used in pair. Both parts of the pair must be used in a sentence. Do not separate the two parts. They can connect equal parts in the sentence, words, phrases or clauses. They make your English clear, balanced and natural. Remember, never use only one part of conjunction. Either he is coming. It is wrong because the second part is missing. So correct sentence will be either he is coming or he is not. So let's move on. More example. Both my parents and sister love to travel. You can have either tea or coffee. Neither honesty nor courage was missing in him. She is not only a great singer but also a good dancer. Let me know whether you need help or not. I would neither read a book than I would rather read a book than watch TV. Quick tip: if you start with the first part of the pair, the second part is always required. So either and or will always be correct rather than either separately or separately. Then the sentence will not be binomial. Let's move to next. Adverbial binomials. They add clarity, emphasis, and fluency to your English. What are they? Adverbial binomials are two-word combination connected by an adverb that function together as a unit to modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Common example: then, now, here, there, so, still, even, just, also, only, never, already. Common adverbial binomials: then and now. Adverb is here, then, meaning at that time and at this time. Example: the city has changed then and now. Here and there. Adverb is here, in this place and in that place. He looked here and there. He looked here and there for his keys. Fast and hard. Adverb is here, fast and hard. They both are adverb, meaning in a fast way and in a strong way. She works fast and hard. You can pause the video and read the examples. Let's move to key points. They are fixed pairs, don't separate the words. Second, they help express ideas more clearly and naturally. They make your English sound fluent and advanced. Memorize them and use them in daily conversations. Bonus practice: use any three adverbial binomials in your own sentence in comments. So let's move to next one. Compound binomials. Three words or more words gets to one complete meaning. Example of compound binomials. Binomial: no ifs, ands, or buts. Without any condition. Do it now. No ifs, ands, or buts. More harm than good, causing more damage than benefit. Smoking causes more harm than good. Short and sweet, brief but syntax. The speech was short and sweet. So now you can read the other examples. Key points: compound binomials have three or more words in each part. They are fixed expressions, means do not change the order of words. They make your English sound natural, balanced, and fluent. Learn them, use them, and impress everyone. Where to use them? You can use them in speaking, writing, exams, or daily life. More examples: peace, quiet. Trial and error, step by step, back and forth, odds and ends. Day in and day out, safe and sound. You can take screenshot or write them by pausing the video. So let's move to next, balanced binomials. What are balanced binomials? Equal words gets to equal importance, which makes beautiful English. What are balanced binomials? Balanced binomials are pair of words or phrases that are grammatically parallel and have same structure. Example: work hard and smart. Here both are hard and smart are adverb. Examples: pros and cons. Pros and cons are noun. Give and take. Give and take are phrasal verbs. Law and order are nouns, rich and poor, adjectives, peace and harmony. These are also noun. Work and play. These are verbs. More or less. Adverbs. Fast and fiction. Nouns. Key points. Both parts are grammatically equal. Both parts carry equal meaning. They follow the same structure. Do not mix different word forms. So there is a special binomial type. Reversible as irreversible. Reversible are Reversible binomials are binomials that can be used by reversing them. And irreversible binomials are binomials that we can't use them and they will be used as it is. Examples of reversible binomials: give and take, it also can be take and give. Back and forth, it also can be forth and back. Come and go, they also can be go and come. Rise and fall, fall and rise. Day and night, night and day. Hit and miss, miss and hit. Now example of irreversible binomials: birth and death, death and birth. So death and birth is wrong. For like immigrate, immigrate and immigrate. These are correct ones. We can't use them at immigrate and migrate. Now you have to answer the quick check and answer in comments, and I will provide you answer sheet of this in last. So the answer of quick check are up and down. It can be reversed down and up, so it is reversible. Next, succeed and fail. It is also reversible because some people succeed and fail due to overconfidence, and some people fail and succeed because of no preparation. So you have to answer other in comment. Thanks for watching.